All your systems are looking good. Going around the corner, we'll see you on the other side.
Hey guys, Blue Earth Thing here. Today, it's roof day. Again, hopefully for the last time. Well, today we're gonna be waterproofing the roof by putting the metal up there. As you can see, we got our metal, we got our staple gun, we got our tar paper, and when you combine all three of those together, you get a nice, stable, waterproof roof. It probably took us about 3 months, but we're finally about to get there.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with AJ. Well, today we'll be making roof panel a la blue. If you'd like to cook along with us today, here's what you'll need. 5,500 teaspoons of galvanized steel roofing and 1 prefabricated metal roofing template. Now, you can get these at any local grocery store. We got ours from a shed building company. Our first step today will be to take our roof panel and to lay it gently over the top of our 5,500 teaspoons of galvanized metal roofing. Be sure to line up one edge with one edge of the panel. Next, we're going to take our file to score this mark. Now the next step is going to be drill out all of these holes you see in the template. There should be 4 on each side as well as 2 on the 2 ridges on the end so we can connect all the panels together. Once we have these holes drilled, I'll do one long cut along this edge to shorten it to the right length. Now, I'm not going to subject you to that. I've taken the liberty of creating one beforehand. And here we are, a beautiful completed roof panel a la blue.
Well, we're running into somewhat of a time restraint. An unexpected thunderstorm is about to come, and we still have a bunch of metal to go up on this roof in a thunderstorm. Don't mind the change of clothes. It started raining on us last time and we couldn't finish the video in time, so welcome to part 2, I guess.